Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm finally going on a huge shopping trip in New York City.
We'll learn useful English for shopping and how to use reward points. I'll take the bus there and the subway back. Let's get started.
Here comes the bus. Good morning.
Morning. Where to?
Herald Square, please. How much is the fare?
It's $2.90.
Okay, I'll pay the fare now.
Just put the coins in the machine or dip your card.
Okay, could you let me know when we get to 34th Street?
Sure, I'll announce it.
Phew, I'm glad I found a seat. Guys, I'm so excited for this shopping trip. The city is buzzing with energy today. And I have a feeling that I'm going to find some amazing things. It's going to be such a fun day. And I can't wait to share it all with you.
Attention, please. Next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square.
Oh, that's my stop.
Here you are. Have a great time shopping.
Thanks, driver. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Wow, just look at this view. The weather is absolutely gorgeous today. The Empire State Building looks so majestic against this clear blue sky. It's breathtaking. What a perfect start to our trip. Okay, everyone, we are finally at Herald Square. First stop, Macy's. Let's head inside. Hi, I'm looking for a formal dress for a gala.
We have some gorgeous silk dresses. Do you like gold?
Gold is classic. Can I see what you have?
Look at this one. It's 100% silk with a modern cut.
Oh, it feels so luxurious. Is it dry clean only?
Yes, silk is a delicate fabric. You must handle it with care.
Oh, so it's delicate? Like, it can be easily ruined if I'm not careful?
Exactly. That's why it's dry clean only.
Do you have this in a size 4?
Let me check. Yes, fitting rooms are right back there.
Guys, what do you think? Is this gold color pretty on me? Does it look good? Please leave a comment.
Oh, wow, you look stunning. It really suits your skin tone.
Really? I feel like the waist is a bit loose. Do you have a size 2?
I'll bring you a size 2. Let's compare the fit.
This one fits much better. I'll take the size 2. How much is it?
It's $250 plus tax.
I'll pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the chip reader.
All set. Can I get a sturdy bag?
Of course. Here is your dress and your receipt.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your gala.
Dress? Checked. Now I need some killer heels to match it. To the shoe department. Hi, I'm looking for silver pumps in size 7. I need something to match a gold silk dress.
Silver is very trendy right now. Let me check.
Oh, they're so sparkly. Do you have these in a 7?
These glittery ones just arrived this morning.
They're definitely a bit loose.
I only have a 7.5. Do you want to try an insole? We could also try a heel grip. It helps the shoe stay on.
Everyone, a heel grip is a pad for the back of your shoe. Guys, I like the shape of these even more.
Let me find a pointed toe style in size 7 for you. They are very elegant and comfortable for dancing.
Let me walk around in them for a second.
Take your time. Check the mirror over there.
My friends, these are perfect. Should I get them? They fit perfectly. I'll take these.
Excellent. That will be $85.
I'll pay with cash. Here is $100.
Thank you. Here is your change, $15.
Thanks. Do you have a box for these?
Of course. Let me wrap them up for you.
Formal look is done. Now, let's head to SoHo for some cool street style. Let's go! Hi, I'm looking for a hip NYC look today.
Yo, welcome to SoHo. You've come to the right place.
I need a cool hoodie and some shorts.
This oversized hoodie is a must-have this season.
Guys, he said must have. That means it's essential.
It's made of pre-shrunk cotton. It won't shrink.
That's perfect. I hate when my clothes get smaller.
Check out these high-waisted denim shorts.
Oh, they look very trendy. What color is best?
Gray is classic, but black looks dope with everything.
Everyone dope is Nike slang for cool. I'll try the black one. Do you have a small?
Here you go. The fitting room is in the back.
Guys, how is the fit? I love it. It's so cozy.
It looks great on you. Very street style.
I'll take the hoodie, the shorts, and this hat.
Sweet choice. That'll be $120 total.
Can I use Samsung Pay?
Definitely. Just tap your phone right there.
Done. Will I get a discount next time?
You bet. You'll get a text with a coupon for your next visit.
Perfect. Thanks for all your help today.
No problem at all. Enjoy the new fit. Have a good one.
You too. Bye. This outfit is so dope, but it needs some sparkle. Let's go find some silver jewelry. Hi, I'm looking for silver jewelry to match my dress.
Hello. Are you looking for earrings or a necklace?
Both. Are these nickel-free?
Yes. All our silver is hypoallergenic. Safe for sensitive skin.
My friend's hypoallergenic means no allergies.
How about these simple silver studs? They are very elegant.
They are nice, but I want something more noticeable. Do you have any silver hoops?
We have these small hoops. They are very popular.
They are still a bit small. Do you have larger hoops?
Let me check. Oh, here's some large silver hoops.
Guys, which size should I go for? These big hoops or the small ones?
These larger hoops are very trendy in NYC right now.
Can I try them on?
Of course. Here is a mirror.
What do you think? Do these look too big?
No, they look great. They make your face look smaller.
I like them. Now, do you have a thin necklace to match?
This thin silver chain would match perfectly.
Everyone, should I get the set? It's so elegant.
The set is on sale for $60 today.
That's a great deal. I'll take it.
Excellent. How would you like to pay?
Can I do a split payment?
Sure. How would you like to divide it?
$20 in cash and the rest are my card.
No problem. Cash first. And now the card.
Did it work?
Done. Would you like a gift box for these?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Here is your jewelry and your receipt. Have a sparkling day.
You too. Bye. I'm so happy with this set. Now that I have my accessories, I need something to carry everything in. Let's head to the bag store. Hi, I need a large tote bag to carry all these bags.
Hello, this leather tote is very sturdy.
Is it strong enough for heavy items?
Yes, the handles are double-stitched for strength. It's genuine cowhide, so it lasts a long time.
Does it have interior pockets?
Yes, to open pockets and one zippered one.
Does it come with an adjustable strap?
It does. It's also detachable.
Can I see the tan color too?
Here it is. It has a vintage vibe.
Everyone, which color do you like? Black or tan?
Black is more versatile for NYC style.
I agree. I'll take the black one.
That will be $150. How are you paying?
I have a gift card. Can I use it?
Certainly. Just hand it to me.
My friends, I'm using my birthday gift card.
You have $20 left on your gift card. Here is your new tote. Need help with your bags?
Yes, please. Could you put these bags inside the tote?
Certainly. All set. Is there anything else you need?
That's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new leather bag.
This tote is a lifesaver. Guys, I want to find a scent that matches my new look. Next stop is the perfume shop. Hi, I'm looking for a woody and fresh perfume.
Try Midnight Forest. It's our best seller.
Oh, this is lovely. It's not too sweet.
It has notes of cedarwood and sandalwood. Would you like to try it on your skin?
Yes, please. Does it change over time?
Yes, it develops as the top notes fade.
It smells like I walk in the woods. How long does this scent last?
This is an eau de parfum, so it lasts 6 to 8 hours.
That's great. I'll take a 15 milliliters bottle. 50 milliliters is perfect for me. How much is this?
It's $75.
I'll pay with my debit card.
Please enter your PIN on the keypad.
Guys, remember, your PIN is your password. Done. Can I earn reward points?
Yes, just enter your phone number here. You earned 75 points today.
Cool. Can I get the receipt in the bag?
Of course. Here you go. Would you like a few free samples of our floral scents?
Ah, I'd love that. Thank you so much for the great service.
Our pleasure. Enjoy your Midnight Forest.
I'm so happy with my new tote. It's so bright out here. The NYC sun is no joke. Next stop is the sunglasses shop. I think I need a pair of sunglasses before I go.
Welcome. What style do you like?
I'm looking for something classic. Maybe Kintai or aviators?
These crystal frames are very trendy now. Try them on.
Everyone, how do I look? These are very popular in NYC.
They look great on you. They brighten up your face.
I love them. By the way, are these lenses polarized?
Yes, they are. They've got a special coating to reduce glare from the sun.
Oh, perfect. So, polarized means they block the harsh light reflections.
Exactly. And they've got 100% UV protection, too. Plus, we've got a buy one, get one 50% off deal today.
That's a great deal. I'll get a second pair for my mom.
Perfect. The total is $180 plus tax.
I'll pay by credit card.
Here's your card and receipt. Your bags are all set.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Enjoy your time in NYC.
Ah, that's much better. Now I can walk comfortably. I'm exhausted, but so satisfied. It's time to head home. I have so many bags. So I'm taking the subway home. The subway is often faster than a bus or taxi in NYC traffic. Excuse me, which train should I take to go uptown?
You should take the Uptown Q train. The platform is right over there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'll tap my phone one last time. It's so easy. My friends, look at this sign. This is a local train. It's a train that stops at every single station. These trains, great, are if your stop is a smaller station. Excuse me, does this train stop at 86th Street?
Yes, the Q train stops there. It's about 15 minutes from here.
I got on the subway and I love that it's not crowded and so quiet. NYC subways run 24/7s.
Next stop is 86th Street.
That's me. Phew, I'm almost home now. Let's head to the exit. Phew, I'm finally home. Look at all these bags. Now it's time for a shopping haul video. You might wonder, what is a haul? It's when you show off the items you just bought. First, let's try on the formal look. This gold dress fits like a glove. And these silver heels are surprisingly comfortable. Now, I'll add the jewelry stuff. These hoops are so trendy and the necklace matches perfectly. To finish the look, a little bit of Midnight Forest perfume. Spritz, spritz. It smells so fresh and woody. Next is the casual look. This is my favorite NYC style. This gray hoodie and shorts are so cozy. With this black cap and crystal frames, I feel like a celebrity hiding from the paparazzi. Lastly, my new tote bag. This black leather tote completes both looks. It's so sturdy and chic. Everyone, which look do you prefer? The elegant gold dress or the casual city look? Let me know in the comments.
What a productive day! I bought so many beautiful things and learned a lot of useful English expressions. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.